So, I'm sorry about the delay. So we're going to start with this is an array, an array system. We're going to use some array. So the public static, of course, static void the args. So what we're going to do is our variable is a string. So I'm going to type here string, then array declaration. This is the array declaration. You're going to declare an array, and after that the array name. So the variable string name, let's say names, names equals, then close curly bracket. So we're going to put on some names here. RG, let's put a semicolon because a quotation because it's a string. So another one is, for example, song, and then a close curly bracket, and then semicolon. Below that, we're going to type a for each, and then string, because we're going to in, let's say, for each string in string and in names, then an open curly bracket, then console.writeLine. N, I'm going to type here N because that's the one that we use to call the. So let's see if it, oh, there's something missing here. After this for each, we're going to make a conditional statement, an if statement. If the length of n, so we're going to put n dot length is equals to, let's say, 5 verse, or let's say 3 equals to 3, console.writeLine n. This one should be inside this. Should be inside the... Oh shit, my bad. The console.writeLine should be inside the if statement. Let's see if it will print out the ong. Oh, the spelling's wrong. So yeah, it print out ong because in this if statement, it's looking for a string that has a length of 3 integers. So yeah, and this string has 3 letters. So if we change this to 5, it would print out this string. So yeah, that is a conditionals that use arrays to function. We can also add more to this as much as we want. Let's try adding another name. Let's say Jaden. No, Jaden. And let's change this integers to 6 and see if it will print Jaden. It's taking longer than usual. Yo, why does it take? Why is it taking longer than usual? Oh, session ended. Please run the code again. Let's try. Let's try it again. Is it my internet? So guys, I'm sorry for the quality of this tutorial. because I'm really out of time. So yeah, it prints Jaden. So that's how this for each works. It chooses array. So always remember that these brackets are array declarations. So yeah, that's how you identify, that's how you declare an array system. So that's all for this tutorial, and I hope you learned something, because this is not all the things that I should that that I should. This is not all of it, and I'm just running out of time, and I also needed to edit this. So yeah, and that takes time, and the deadline is coming near. So that's all that I can teach you guys today. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. Bye. Yeah. So that's all for this tutorial, guys. So just like I said earlier, I'm running out of time, and I needed to edit this. So I really hope you learned something. Thank you for watching, and bye. See you next time.